Dear students, you are welcome in the Education Department at SHAHD Association. Our lesson today is Addition and Subtraction. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more lessons and don't forget to activate the bell to stay notified. Our objectives for this lesson are: the first one, to write the numbers in the place value table; the second one, to add two numbers; the third one, to subtract two numbers. Let's start. What is the number? Here we need to find the number. We can use 100 tens ones to deduce the number. Here in hundreds we have 100, and in tens we have 1. We have 10. And here in ones we have 1. So the number is 1 in hundreds, 1 in tens, and 1 in ones. So the number is 111. Another one, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 500. And in tens we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 tenths. And in ones we have 0. We don't have anything. So the number here is 550. 550. Another one. How many hundreds we have here? We have only 100. And how many tens we have here? We have 4 tens. And how many ones? We have 4 ones. So we have 100, 4 tens, 4 ones. So the number is 144. Here we have 2 hundreds and 5 tens and 6 ones. So we have 2 hundreds, 5 tens and 6 ones. So the number is 256. The last one here, how many hundreds we have here? We have 4 hundreds. And how many tens we have here? We have 7 tens. And we have 2 ones. So we have 4 hundreds, 7 tens, and 2 ones. So the number is 472. Put in the place value table the following numbers. The first number is 789. We start from left to right. We have 700, 8 tens, and 9 ones. The second number, 425. So we have 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and 5 ones. The third one, 123. So we have 100, 2 tens, and 3 ones. The last one, 108. We have 100, 0 tens, and 8 ones. Add two natural numbers. 133 plus 242. The first step, write the addition in vertical form. Let's write it. We write it like this. The second step, add ones to ones. Here, we want to add ones to ones, so 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. The third step, add tens to tens. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. And the fourth step is add hundreds to hundreds. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. And the last step is final result. So the answer is 375. Example 2. 264 plus 215. The first step, write the addition in vertical form. We write it like this. The second step, add ones to ones. In the first number we have 4 ones, and in the second number we have 5 ones. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. The third step is add tens to tens. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. The fourth step, add hundreds to hundreds. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And then final result. So 264 plus 215 is equal to 479. The last example here, 427 plus 70. The first step, write the addition in vertical form. We write it like this. The second step, add ones to ones. In the first number we have 7 ones, and in the second number we have 0 ones. So 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. Then add tens to tens. In the first number we have 2 tens, and in the second number we have 7 tens. So 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. And then add hundreds to hundreds. In the first number we have 4 hundreds, and in the second number we have 0 hundreds. So 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Then find the final result. The final result is 497. To subtract two natural numbers, for example, 235 minus 123, the first step, write the subtraction in vertical form, for example, like this. Then subtract ones from ones. In the first number, the ones is 5, and in the second number we have 3 ones. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Then subtract tens from tens. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Then subtract hundreds from hundreds. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And then the final result. So 235 minus 123 is equal to 112. Example 2. 459 minus 312. Write the subtraction in vertical form like this. Then subtract ones from ones, so 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Then subtract tens from tens, so 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. And then subtract hundreds from hundreds, so 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So 459 minus 312 is equal to 147. Now let's solve the following exercise. 138 minus 8. Subtract ones from ones. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Then subtract tens from tens. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Then subtract hundreds from hundreds, so 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So the answer is 130. The second one, 268 minus 114. First, write the subtraction in vertical form. Then subtract ones from ones, so 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Then subtract tens from tens. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Then subtract hundreds from hundreds. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So the answer is 154. The last one, 265 minus 152. We write it in vertical form. Then subtract ones from ones. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Then subtract tens from tens. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. And subtract hundreds from hundred. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And the answer is 113. So when we want to subtract two numbers, we write the subtraction in vertical form, then subtract ones from ones, then subtract tens from tens, and subtract hundreds from hundreds, and then the final result. Thanks for watching. If you liked this lesson, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more lessons, and don't forget to click the bell to get all the updates.